Stop buying your car detailing products from regular auto parts stores. You are literally throwing your money away, and worse, ruining your clear coat. Professional detailers don't use the overhyped stuff you see on TV. They use highly concentrated, specific formulas that save time, cost less, and give that insane glass-like finish. Today on AutoRift, I'm counting down the top 5 products the pros hide from you for spring. Especially number 4. It's the only ceramic sealant you'll ever need. Real quick, I've linked every single product down in the description below so you can grab them easily. Now let's kick off the countdown with number 5. Coming in at number 5. All your detailing hard work is ruined if you dry your car with cheap towels that inflict micro scratches. Throw away your old chamois and get the Blackline 24x36 twisted loop drying towel. This beast is 1,300 grams per square meter and absorbs over a gallon of water. The twisted loop technology means it glides over your paint without scratching. One pass is all you need. No streaks, no water spots. It's the fastest, safest way to dry any truck, SUV, or car. Now for product number 4, the one I promised you in the intro. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars at a shop to get real ceramic protection. Meet G-Technic C2 Ceramic Sealant. G-Technic was founded by a quantum physicist, so the molecular nanotechnology here is legit. This isn't a cheap wax, it's a pure hydrophobic barrier that repels dirt and water effortlessly. You just spray it on, wipe it off, and you get outstanding swirl resistance, UV protection, and a long-lasting gloss that makes your car look wet all season long. Moving down to number 3, we have the ultimate cheat code, Coach Chemi Green Star. Detailers don't carry 10 different cleaners for interiors, engines, and tires. They carry one highly concentrated universal cleaner. This German-engineered formula is phosphate and solvent-free. You just dilute it with water based on what you need. Need to blast grease off an engine? Make it strong? Need to wipe down delicate auto interiors? Dilute it down. It is the most versatile chemical you will ever keep in your garage. At number 2 is a step you cannot skip before coating, CarPro Iron X. Washing your car doesn't remove the embedded iron particles and industrial fallout stuck in your clear coat. If you don't remove them, they cause rust spots. This pH-neutral formula safely breaks down ferrous metallic contamination. You literally watch your car bleed purple as it dissolves the iron. And the best part, they finally updated it with a lemon scent so your garage won't smell like rotten eggs anymore. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the foundation of every pro detail, P&S Professional Brake Buster. Most weekend warriors buy expensive, highly acidic wheel cleaners that actually eat away at their alloy finishes over time. Pros? They use this. Brake Buster is a non-acid formula that is completely safe for all wheel types. It clings to the wheel, removes heavy brake dust, light corrosion, and pulls the brown grease right out of your tires. Plus, you can buy it by the gallon, making it pennies per wash. Again, all the links to grab these are in the description. If this video saved you time and money, smash that subscribe button. And if you want to see exactly how to properly foam wash your car from start to finish, click the video right here on the screen. I'll see you over there.